Good evening, students. Chapter 4, our dependency on animals. So in this chapter we discuss about uses of animals as livelihood of people. Then now today we cover this topic: tigers in danger, animals in danger, wildlife conservation. So in this topic, this para, in previous class we completed our this para cottage industry. So now today we are going to start our new para, cruelty towards animals. Cruelty towards animals. So what is the meaning of cruelty? Cruelty to animals is collect animals, abuse animals neglecting. So this one are called cruelty. When someone hurt animals, causes unnecessary pain or does not take care, it is called the animal's cruelty. So since what happened in our India country, inhumanity towards animals are increasing day by day. Inhumanity towards the animals. Okay, so this one is the topic about the cruelty. How this one is day by day increasing. So now we are again going to start our reading. Some people kill animals and sell their skins at high prices. They are very cruel towards animals. Animals such as cows, buffaloes, horses and donkeys are whipped cruelly by their tigers to get their work done. Okay, so in this topic, last 4 lines, I am telling you that day by day in our India country, this cruelty towards the animal has increasing. Why increase? Because this we kill the animal, and from the kill the animal we sell their skin. We sell the skins of the animals at high prices in the market. So that's why for the earning money, much more earning money, what we doing, we are killing to them, and sometime for our entertainment we are killing to them. Okay, so this is the not a good way. We are kind for them, not cruel with them. So now next, sometimes cows, buffalo, horses, donkeys, these are domestic animals. For domestication, their master are beat them, whip them with cruelty. Okay, so this one is also not a good thing. This is also a cruelty with the animals. So now what about the horse? Now we will talk about the horse. So what happened? Because horse often made to run faster than their strength allows. Now the horse is when horse is run, so horse run very fast. As we know that horse run very fast, but sometimes their master want that according to their strength, comparison of their strength, they much more run fast. So but it is not a good way. With the animals we have cruel many times. So now next, donkeys and camels are overloaded with goods. And what happened with the donkeys and camels? How we cruel with them? Sometimes we have overloaded the goods on their backs. Okay, so now next line, oxen are made to pluck fields throughout the day without rest, and they are even beaten heartlessly by some farmers because farmers want much work with the oxen. Okay, so for this much work, what they doing? For the plucking the field, sometimes they beating them. Okay, sometimes they beat them without taking rest, without any proper food. So all time they are doing work. So this is also included in cruelty. So many types of cruelty is there. To taking much more work, to overloaded the goods, to kill the animals. This is the cruelty. Okay, so now the animals of a circus or a zoo are kept in dirty cages, are not fed with good food and water by some master. And what happened in zoo and circus? Their master, when their animals are, those animals are lived there, their master not give to them properly food, properly water, and not to give any neat and clean cages. They give them dirty cages. Sometimes the zookeepers too do not feed and take care of them. Zookeepers also doing this one, that they didn't take care of them. Zoo become just like a prison. So what happened for the animal? This zoo is become like a prison. Moreover, some animals are used in laboratory to test medicine. And what happens for the testing? Many types of testing. Sometimes we have to use animals in laboratory for the test of medicine. So this is the cruelty with the animals. So how is the cruelty? What is the sign of cruelty? How we know that it is the cruelty with the animals? Like poor body condition, like the animal is tied and caged, lack of shelter, lack of food and water. So these one are the cruelty with the animals. This is the sign for them. Okay, that we are doing the cruelty with the animals. So cruelty, we try that we have not cruel with the animals. We are not give them a cruel behavior. We have kind for them and take care of them. So student, this one your topic is completed. So next topic is your animals in danger.